Hello everyone, this is Ankita Rani, and in this video I will continue with the explanation of different types of business letter. So let me remind you, actually I was taking this question, what is business correspondence, and explain different types of business letters. So in continuation I will explain the next category of business letter, that is inquiry letters. Actually, inquiry letter is a type of business letter, definitely. So, in the answer of inquiry letter, you have to explain all the things what happens in inquiry letter, to whom we write, right? Everything you need to write to make it a good explanation of inquiry letter. Okay. So let me actually read it out so that you can write a proper answer. You can make a proper answer, because you might get some difficulty in seeing the paper. It might be not clear. Okay. Inquiry letters ask a question or elicit information from the recipient. When composing this type of letter, keep it clear and succinct and list exactly what information, what information you need. Okay. Be sure to include your contact information so that it is easy for the reader to respond. So I think up till now you have understood that what is supposed to write in each kind of letter: sales letter, order letter, complaint letter, adjustment letter. So you have to in the explanation you have to write what happens in this kind of letter, to whom we address, and what should be few steps that we should follow while writing the this kind of letter. So actually, in nutshell, let me tell you that through inquiry letter, a businessman, they want to ask some question, because suppose that whenever we want to buy some product, we just go to the shop or we order online, because we want, being an individual, we want some to up till limited kind of limited stock, limited products. But what happen in business, actually they want a large number of products. So they many a times they prefer to make inquiry before placing the order, so that they can be made sure that okay, this dealer has all the desired products what we want, because they are very specific about some product, what kind of product they want. And in business generally they want large number of products, many products. So in that case they prefer to make inquiry, and that inquiry is made through this letter, inquiry letter. Inquiry letter ask a question, definitely. Whenever you do inquiry, you ask a question. So in businesses they ask question, they want to elicit information from the recipient, right? When actually whenever you will join some business, and whenever a chance will come to write an inquiry letter, what is supposed to do, you should always be clear that what kind of what kind of question you want to ask, right? You should be very clear about the questions, right? Very write it very clearly what type of things you want to know from the recipient. And also it's very important that you must include your contact information, so that the recipient will give you response so that the recipient will can give response, right? So that they can answer your question which you have asked through the inquiry letter. Suppose that, let me tell you through the example. Suppose that college has placed say 100 made a write a inquiry letter for 100 computers to the dealer of some city. They want, in very urgent case, they want 100 computers for setting a laboratory lab, computer lab. And they want that some very specific kind of features. They are very they are very peculiar about the specification, prices and everything. So before placing the order, they want to make sure, the college want to make sure that whether that dealer is sufficient, whether the dealer will satisfy our needs or not. So why not ask them early, right? So it's better to ask them early, so that a college can place their order. So in that case, just in inquiry letter, what happens in nutshell, you can say that we ask question that whether recipient has this kind of product or not, and in this amount, in large amount or not, right? So I think you have got the concept of inquiry letter. Now moving to the next category of business letter, that is credit letter. So let me just tell you what is credit letter. I think you all must be knowing about the credit. What is credit? Actually, let me tell you, credit is something that I want to buy this product, but I am not able to pay for it right now. I will pay for it, but in future, in installment or something, right? So I want to purchase product, but I don't have sufficient money to pay the whole money for it. So I will pay you later in installments in coming future. So that is credit. So in business, it's very important that many a times businessmen, you ask for the credit letter. So in credit letter, three categories may arise. One is for requesting credit, right? A businessman can ask for the credit that comes in the category of requesting. Then they can get a credit, that is granting, and refusing, they can be refused, right? Refusing of credit. So in this category, three kind of cases may arise in this category. So in my next video, I will explain a little bit about what happens in requesting credit and granting credit and refusing credit. So till then, bye, and thanks for watching my video.